Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Canon PIXMA TS3120 printer on your Windows, macOS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Canon PIXMA TS3120 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results should come back with Canon support for PIXMA TS3120. Open that up. And then on this page, you want to scroll down and expand the software and drivers section. And then scrolling down again, select the TS3100 series full driver and software package and select download. Once it's downloaded to your computer, open that up. It should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes. And then you can close out of the browser. And select Start Setup. Select Next, and then just follow through the on-screen directions depending on your connection type, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.